Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. In this video, we are going to fix Snapchat sound not working. If you are facing this problem, so keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, check that your device is not in silent mode. To do check, press the volume button of your device and disable the silent mode. After doing this, check your problem. If it is not working, then try next. Next is make sure your device volume is not muted. To do check, press the volume button. If it is muted, then press the volume up button. After doing this, check your problem. If it is not working, then try next. Next, check that Snap has access to your microphone in your device. To do check, long press on the Snapchat button and click on the app info. Now click on the permissions. Go to the microphones and select ask every time. If it is tick on allow, then tick on the ask every time. After doing this, if it is not working, then go to your Play Store and search here Snapchat. If here it is update available, then update is. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.